We continue the change is the name given to the Bulgarian electoral coalition led by Kiril Petkov and Asen Vasilev, the former caretaker economy and finance ministers, respectively. It competed in the November 2021 Bulgarian National Assembly 5 election. Since the coalition was created too late to have its own registration, it has to compete in the elections with the registration of one or more of its member parties. This has been done through Volt and Swedish kronas, with the former being a party that recently quit the parliamentary coalition IBG-NI. The party was officially announced on 19 September 2021 after a month-long rumor about its creation. It was created to be an alternative anti-corruption party that could be seen as a uniting force between the other parties. The party favors working with the anti-establishment parties, but it is said there is speculation that it will work with BSP to form a coalition. It has also not ruled out the possibility of working with GERB SDS or DPS, but Kiril Petkov has said that DPS must break contact and drop support of ex-MP Delian Pivsky, and GERB must support the replacement of Chief Prosecutor Ivan Jeshev in order to be considered as potential coalition partners, things that both parties are very unlikely to do. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.